It's officially Christmas season, and I have convinced my husband finally to get an upgrade to our tree. We are getting a pre-lit tree if I can find it. There is an amazing Black Friday sale that I found. I convinced my husband, and I'm going to take you. I tried ordering this online, and a local Lowe's let me order it, pay for it, and then they canceled it. A second Lowe's has it out of stock, but this Lowe's in Kalamazoo says that they have 3 of them in store. I'm really hoping it's still here, but I couldn't order it for pickup. So I'm going to run into the store. I'm hoping when other people couldn't get it for pickup that maybe it deterred them from buying it. I didn't get here right away, so wish me luck that it's in here. 3rd time's the charm, right? And we're going to get a pre-lit tree. I'm so excited about this because we used to have a pre-lit tree. Then it broke down. It was 12 feet. It was too tall. We used it for many, many years. Then we bought the cheapest tree that we ever could find. It was not there were no bells and whistles, and there were no lights on it. I finally convinced my husband to upgrade the dinky one, and I think he got sick of stringing the lights. So hopefully this is in here. Wish me luck. I want to get it now because it's $100 off for Black Friday. I'm going to share the tree with you, all the cool things, and share with you a fun Christmas tradition that we do at our house with ornaments. So come on, let's hope it's here. Okay, so this is $3.98, but Black Friday sale is $100 off. I think the fact that it's not marked $100 less is maybe why they still have them here. But they have it. And this one is marked down too, $260.99. This is $298. I honestly cannot believe that they have it. I am so excited, and I am gonna load it up, pay for it, and I can't wait to show it to you in the house. Okay, I found this is the tree in person in the store, and again, they don't have it marked on sale, which is why I think it's probably still in the store, but it's $100 off right now. And then they also have a white version, which I like the flocking, but I don't know that I'd like that every year. I love how the lights change colors. There's 8 different modes, and you don't have to string new lights. So if we want white, we can have it. And then the next day we can do multicolor. I love multicolor because we did that as a kid. It's so pretty. And I can't believe I found it. Slow fading, the 5th setting, so it goes between the bright white lights and then the colors, but it slowly fades between them. This was the easiest to set up. I haven't fluffed a single thing other than pulling the branches down, but you certainly can. All of the sections were really easy, so you put section 1 into the base, 2 clicks in to 1, 3 clicks into 2, and then these arrows tell you exactly how to line it up, and it's super easy to change the settings. So here is an on-off button, and here are the modes. So all you have to do to go between them is hit the button. This is the clear and color slow fading, number 5. This is color steady, it just stays the same. That's setting 6. Here is color fading, setting 7. Setting 8 is just a combination, so it goes between all the different settings. 9 is off. Setting 1 is clear and color fading, but it goes quicker than setting 5. Number 2 is clear fading. I think this is Elsie's favorite setting, she told me. Number 3 is an alternating clear and color, so there's no fade to it. It just instantly changes. And then number 4 is clear steady. And then we're back to 5, the clear and colored slow fade. Now tomorrow we are decorating this, but we first have to go shopping We have a very special collection of Hallmark ornaments. We have our tradition. We're doing it tomorrow on Small Business Saturday. We go to a local Hallmark store, and every kid gets to pick out a Hallmark ornament. They all have the year on them. And then when they move out someday, they can take their own ornament. And then Matt and I get a family one that can hold our pictures. We've been doing that since the year we got married, before we even had kids. And it's just a really fun tradition. Okay, so we got our ornaments, and right after we get the ornaments, we go next door to Five Guys and order French fries, and Matt and I take turns taking each kid to shop for their sibling at Five Below. So whoever is not shopping at Five Below for their sibling is here eating fries. It's a fun little tradition, isn't it, guys? Yeah. And then we go home and we have our first presents for under the tree, and we have our new ornaments, and we add all of our other ones from the past years. Okay, so Mila's gonna take us through all of her ornaments.
2010, 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
Oh, I love that one.
23, and 24.
So cool. Okay, so here's Calvin's. His first year, 2016. Of course, we picked that one out. He was a little baby. Here's 2017, the first one he picked out. 18, and you put a light bulb in there and Rudolph's nose lights up. 19, 20. This is when Cal really started liking the expensive guys. 21, 22, 2023, the biggest one we have. And finally, this year, he got the snowball claw machine. Okay, and here's Elsie's collection.
Okay, so 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020.
This is another fun one where you stick a light bulb in it and it makes the fire glow.
2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024.
Very cute. Okay, so this is the one that started it all. We randomly walked into a Hallmark store our first Christmas and decided to buy this. 2008, our first Christmas. It was super cute. There we are, very young newlyweds. And then the next year we're like, hey, let's keep it going. So we got a 2009 one. Pretty much every year they only have about one, maybe two that has a picture frame and the year. Those are my two requirements. So I was pregnant with my oldest daughter in this picture. 2010, there she is. She joined us. 2011, we had another baby join us. And then 2012, this is probably my least favorite one because it's really hard to see, like to share with you guys, but it's super cute still. 2013, 2014, 2015, this is one of my personal favorite ones. It was just so cute and the girls look adorable. And then another one of my favorites, 2016, the first year we had baby Calvin with us. And then 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, I really love this one, 2022, 2023, and then finally 2024, we got to take an updated family photo. But I absolutely love having these. When my kids leave and take their ornaments, this is what mom and dad will be left with, and I will cherish every single year that we did this. Okay, so here's our tree. I love all of the random colors and the randomness of it. I'm not someone that needs like a perfectly coordinated tree, obviously. But I just love that I can see Elsie, I remember her picking this, or this one, her first Christmas ornament. Looking through all of the years, it's a very special tradition to me, and I love it. And of course, you have to get the school craft ornaments in there. This is me and Matt, our first Christmas together dating. So it's a tree full of memories, and in my mind, it doesn't get better than this. By the way, it's an Aldi tree skirt from last year.